Oklahoma senators introduce Bitcoin rights bill. Two Oklahoma senators, Brian Hill and Bill Coleman, have introduced a bill aimed at affirming the rights of state residents to buy, store, sell bitcoins, and engage in cryptocurrency mining. The proposed legislation also seeks to establish lower tax rates on cryptocurrency when used as a medium of exchange. However, the bill currently lacks specific mechanisms for protecting these rights and defining the tax rates, essentially making it a declaration of intent at this stage. Dennis Porter, founder of the Satoshi Action Fund and a supporter of the bill, believes that the legislation could grant Americans the right to protect their fundamental rights to digital assets. He has called on all stakeholders to support the initiative to expedite its enactment into law. U.S. economy in depression, says Robert Kiyosaki. Renowned author and businessman Robert Kiyosaki has warned that the U.S. economy is in a state of depression. In comments linked to Kiyosaki's post, a cryptocurrency trader known by the pseudonym Astronomer shared a Bitcoin price trend chart. According to this chart, the value of the coin is expected to reach an all-time high of around $200,000 by the end of 2024. Following this peak, Astronomer believes the digital asset will significantly decrease in value due to an economic downturn. However, if this prediction proves accurate, timely sales of BTC could yield substantial profits, even if purchased at current prices. Shibarium Layer 2 network to undergo hard fork on May 2nd. A hard fork is scheduled for May 2nd in the Shibarium network, which is designed to scale the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This major protocol update will create a new version of Shibarium, characterized by faster transaction processing speeds and lower operation fees. Currently, the average transaction fee on Shibarium is just $0.0000219. However, network users believe that fee reductions are necessary to compete successfully with Dogecoin, which maintains an average transaction cost of $0.0000375 on its blockchain. The upcoming Shibarium hard fork has not impacted the price of the native tokens, Bone Shiba Swap. Their price continues to fluctuate around 62 cents and shows no signs of significant upward movement. A similar situation is observed in the Shiba Inu market, where the coin has depreciated by 9% over the past week, a minor fluctuation for meme tokens. Embersword NFT auction contract vulnerability leads to $195,000 loss. A vulnerability in the Embersword NFT auction contract affected users who had approved the contract, enabling attackers to withdraw approximately 60 WETH. CertiK has advised users to revoke their approvals for the contract on the Polygon blockchain as soon as possible. The vulnerability allowed fraudsters to manipulate bids and withdraw funds from the service's clients. CertiK believes that the flaw was due to a coding error in the Embersword NFT auction contract. Fraudulent bids could override legitimate user bids, resulting in attackers winning auctions at artificially low prices. They could then sell the NFTs at higher prices, profiting from the price differential. Mainland Chinese investors unable to purchase Bitcoin ETFs in Hong Kong. Jack Wang, an analyst from a media outlet, has reported that China Asset Management, Harvest Global Investments, and Boss Era, which are establishing spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, through their subsidiaries in the Special Administrative Region of China, will not be able to open the market to mainland investors. A Bloomberg representative quoted a statement from the State Council of China published in September 2021, which states that financial institutions are prohibited from creating accounts, transferring funds, or providing clearing for transactions related to cryptocurrency. Chinese investors are not planning to engage with these products in the short term, and the launch of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in Hong Kong will not positively impact the regulatory environment in China, the analyst believes. Meanwhile, Thomas Zhu, head of digital assets at Hong Kong-based China Asset Management, China AMC, stated that the right of investors to purchase crypto ETFs in Hong Kong will depend on whether the Beijing government adopts corresponding regulatory measures. Spotenchain forecasts Bitcoin price volatility from May to July. Spotenchain has predicted increased market volatility for Bitcoin from May to July 2024. According to Spotenchain analysts, there is a 48% chance that Bitcoin's price will drop below $60,000 during this period. In the second half of the year, experts anticipate a price activation, with a 63% probability that the value of the first cryptocurrency will reach $100,000. By early 2025, there is a 42% chance that Bitcoin could exceed the $150,000 level. The forecast indicates prevailing bullish sentiments in the market, which will be aided by the expected rate cuts following the December meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, of the U.S. Federal Reserve. This could increase demand for risk assets such as stocks and Bitcoin, the SpotenChain team believes. Representatives from SpotenChain stated that their model is based on a large volume of data, including various historical trends and factors in the virtual assets industry. The model considered factors such as Bitcoin halvings, interest rate cycle changes, venture investor activity, and Bitcoin sales by miners. Taiwan prosecutors charge leadership of ACE Exchange. Taiwanese prosecutors have charged the founder of ACE Exchange, David Pan, his business partner Lin Kanghoon, and the exchange's CEO, Wang Chenhan, with fraud. According to case documents, the number of victims has exceeded several thousand, with investor losses estimated at $24.5 million. Since 2019, David Pan and other top executives had promoted digital assets on the exchange, positioning it as one of the largest and safest cryptocurrency platforms in Asia. However, investors who put money into the promoted tokens were unable to withdraw their funds after some time, prompting the law enforcement investigation. In early April 2024, the Taiwanese prosecutors brought charges against the exchange's leadership. According to Taiwanese law enforcement, the top management of ACE Exchange engaged in market manipulations for personal gain. The profits were allegedly used to purchase expensive real estate. Phoenix Wallet and Wasabi Wallet announced cessation of operations in the U.S. Non-custodial cryptocurrency wallets, Phoenix Wallet and Wasabi Wallet, have announced they will cease operations in the United States. This decision comes in the wake of regulatory documents from U.S. authorities regarding MetaMask's parent company, Consensy, and the creators of Samurai Wallet, which suggest that such wallets may be considered money service businesses. To avoid attracting regulatory scrutiny, the developers of Phoenix Wallet and Wasabi Wallet have decided to relocate their business to another jurisdiction. Recent statements from U.S. authorities indicate that providers of self-custody wallets, Lightning Network operations, and even the creation of Lightning Network nodes might be treated as money service businesses and regulated as such, said the Phoenix Wallet team in a statement.